breaking news. Now, Giogia Meloni have called out with a new law where be like say how people go fit they use their cash. Now wetin she don't call out like this. I have to explain to you guys in this video, giving you article. I go read give una where una go understand. This is a breaking news and it's a hot update. I beg, as it dey hot like this, so make una share this video. Please, with a due respect, share this video and give me a thumbs up. I want to make this video go far so that people go know wetin Giogia Meloni don't call out can do. Now, everybody knows that the past government, they discouraged the use of cash. But now, Giogia Meloni have come and then encouraged the use of cash, that payment with credit card is not necessary. This is what Giogia Meloni have stated already. So, you have to listen to this video from the beginning to the end. Sit tight, enjoy this video, hear wetin Giogia Meloni dey talk on how people go take dey use their money. Cash must be king, Giogia Meloni tells shoppers. He said Italy is to use more cash and fewer credit cards, bucking a global trend towards electronic currency. He said after Giogia Meloni, the Prime Minister, dismissed card payments as private money. He said Meloni, who was elected in September, is finalizing her first budget, which is due to include a role allowing shopkeepers, businesses to refuse card and demand cash for payment up to 60 euro. So now, Giogia Meloni, they encourage people where they say something, say, make that they refuse card, but instead they receive money in cash. Now wetin she dey try to not talk. Now listen, the rule would rise the current limit of 30 euro and include permission to sell and buy goods worth up to 5,000 euro in cash, up from 1,000. Now, the past government, which is Mario Draghi, if una go remember, announced the news for this particular platform. The man can't discourage, say, you no fit buy something when go reach up to 5,000 euro in cash. You must pay with your bank card. Now, Giogia Meloni don't come out, can't change that idea that you can buy something and pay in cash even up to 5,000 euro. This is what they are now stating. Let's go a little bit forward. He said Meloni has unusual justification for supporting banknotes over plastic. He said she told Parliament the only legal currency in Italy and Europe is the paper note issued by the European Central Bank. He said electric money is not legal currency. It is a form of private money. This is what Giogia Meloni is stating. Now listen, he said Meloni's attempts to revive cash will gain points with small businesses in Italy who object to the small commission they must pay when accepting card payment. You know, most of the shop, if you pay with card, you get some little money when the bank they take from them. So now if they talk say it go be favor to them. Now what did they explain for this part? In April, Meloni said that forcing Italians to almost exclusively use electronic payments was an illegitimate present to the banks and financial firms that sell these services. Now listening to what Giogia Meloni is now stating in this part. He said Meloni is saying cash is public money. So how can we limit the use of something that is public? This is a question Giogia Meloni is not asking. He said money na for public. Say why they go limit, make people not show money, make people not use money buy something. Why must people pay with card? All those kind of stuff. Giogia Meloni, if they ask questions, say money na public, they need to show for public. And wait till Giogia Meloni they tell una now. Now listen, he said people must have the right to choose. This is what she's now still stating. He said Lorenzo Codono, a financial analyst and former official at the Italian Treasury, said I can understand the libertarian principle behind it, but I suspect this is also linked to pressure from retailers who prefer cash because it gives them the flexible to avoid tax. So one of the man like say don't still handle one of the financial position, consider the state say yes, it makes sense like that. if people dey buy something dey pay with money direct, those people when you dey pay, person when dey sell, you no come go dey pay tax dey give the bank again when you go use your card. For example now, if you buy something of €10, then you pay that €10, dem fit remove 50 cents for the bank. So all those things they say na good thing to business owners. So na wetin dey try to dey state for this part. Now wetin Giogia Meloni dey try to talk to an extent, ma stop the article for here, be say e wan make people dey buy something with cash, make dem discourage the use of credit card. So if you wan buy something wey reach up to €5,000, you get the money for your hand, you get the money for pocket, nobody go disturb you. The past government dem no gree for this kind thing. When announce the video, give una the update, most of una come dey paro. So you see, everybody with different idea. Now Giogia Meloni dey encourage holding money on your hand, say e no mean anything. Dey put money for wallet, you know, use money to go buy something, say no mean anything. Now wetin Giogia Meloni dey try to let us know. But this law, they never pass am. Now wetin she dey debate, so they have to take it to parliament. So that is just it. If you enjoyed this video or if you like this particular update, make sure say you give me thumbs up so that we dey give una update on how things dey happen. Respect to all the fans of Prince TV.